The BERNINA 880 comes with a 16 gig USB stick. Now, this is a newer version of this stick, and I was very nicely surprised when I opened it. I did not know this until today, is that yes, it is a USB stick on one end, but then I noticed that the other end had something else. And for those of you with newer computers, this is a USB-C connector or Thunderbolt 3 connector. So if you have that as an option on your computer, which actually I do, I was able to use that and I was very excited because I didn't have to have like a little adapter for my particular computer. So we do have a few videos to help you understand if you're using a PC or a Mac computer. You do have the ability to take more than one USB stick and put it into the side of the machine. So you can pull one design off this one and one design off this one and combine them. You could even save designs to the USB stick. So if you've created something on screen and you are saving it, this is one of your choices. So you can actually go from USB to machine and you can go from machine to USB. So as soon as you put it in the machine, you'll be able to access the USB symbol right here, and whatever is on the stick will show up. Just a little note, formats. You will be needing to use only the formats of DST or EXP, and those are the ones that your machine will recognize. Now let me put this in the machine and let me show you one more thing. So I can go ahead and touch the USB symbol. Here is a folder of some upcoming designs that I will be using, but my particular computer of choice right now is a Mac computer. Now if you have a PC, you will not run into this, but if you have a Mac computer, and a lot of people are getting more and more of these, you're gonna see some extra little squiggly lines that are pink. These are not embroidery designs, and there's nothing wrong with your machine, your stick, or your computer, or the designs. But the BERNINA 880 can actually recognize some extra files that the Mac puts on the stick when you copy designs over. So here's what you need to do. There's pages 1 through 16. The first half of them, for me, are not embroidery designs, and as soon as I scroll to the midway point, then the designs will show up. This is a whole collection of some alphabets, some borders, some sayings, and I have a fun project that I'm looking forward to getting to shortly. So this is, if I touch it, then it's going to bring it right in like a normal design. But just keep in mind that if you do see those squiggly designs, you will find yourself just needing to scroll forward until you get to the ones that are the actual designs.